Hey guys, it's Annie here. So, I'm taking my bird for a walk. It rained today, but he likes it. Sorry about the bad camera quality, but I'm filming on my phone right now. And yeah. So, this is my little buddy. He is so cute. He is my little birdie. I've made many videos on him. And he's so cute. He's got a harness on, as you can see, so he won't fly away. And we're just going for a walk. I'm wearing a mask because of coronavirus. And yeah. I don't want to run into anybody who might have it. My glasses are fogging up. If you have glasses, you'd probably get me. So, oh my gosh, my hair is a mess. There we go. It looks better now. He just screamed at me because I was fixing my hair. He doesn't like it when I fix my hair or like put on my glasses or put on my mask or put in earbuds. Like he chews on my earbuds. Watch this. No, he's not going to do it right now. But yeah, he is just so annoying sometimes. I mean, he's cute, but he can be really annoying. Ugh. So many cars. They scare this little buddy. But he's doing good now. He's kind of gotten used to me. And he's done really well. Transferring over from seeds to pellets. When we got him, he would only eat millet. But now, if I hand feed him, he eats pellets. So yeah. I'm not going to say goodbye yet, because there are a few more things I want to talk about. As you might know, I changed my channel name. I changed it because I didn't really want to focus on animation anymore. I wanted to be open to all things, like crafts, animals, and stuff like that. He's sneezing. Oh, and just one other thing. This guy says hi and Rowlet. Like Rowlet, like his name. He says hi and Rowlet. I think it's really cute. So, we're just walking, having fun. Sorry, I haven't been filming him this whole time. This is going to be a video about him. So, I haven't been filming him. This is going to be a video about him, and I haven't talked about him for like a few sentences. Okay, so he likes to eat vegetables, but it's very rare if he does, which is kind of a pain because vegetables should be part of his everyday diet. He doesn't like the taste of them, I'm pretty sure. Like, whenever he eats them, he spits them out and screams. Like, he screams like that. Sorry, earbud users. And so, oh my gosh, this mask. I'm not going to take